Hi, welcome to the
Toy Kids!
My name's Josiah.
My name's Mimi Ray.
Today we're going to be talking about
Slime!
Gooey, ooey, slime! So Mimi, what's your slime called?
My slime's called Craze Slimy Creations, and I'm really looking forward to getting my hands gooey and ooey.
I've got the ultimate slime kit, and I like this one the best because there's all sorts of slimes like confetti, foam, glitter, glow, and there's even scented slime, and there's monster slime.
So let's open the first box and see what's inside. So we've got clear slime glue, we've got white slime glue, and we've also got the slime activator. And we've also got a funny looking bowl, some glitter, some paint, and some sticks, and something that I don't know what it is, but it looks funny. So that's what we've got in the box. So now I'm gonna get a grown-up to help me read the instructions so we can get gooey. So what do we have to do first, Josiah?
Well, first you need to get your measuring cup and put 15 millilitres of clear glue in. So can you do that?
Yeah. Now I'm going to pour this clear glue in until it gets to 15 millilitres. We're nearly there.
Stop.
And
Good.
we've done 15 millilitres.
Now, after you've done that, pour it into the big bowl here. Good.
I'm pulling this into here now, and it's a big white bowl, and it's really, really gooey, this glue. I've done that, so what do I have to do next?
Well, Mimi, what you need to do next is scrape down the walls of the cup to get as much of the glue out as possible, which you've already done. But now you need to measure 25 millilitres of water, room temperature, pour it into the same bowl as the glue.
So now I'm going to pour this hot water in here.
Mimi, so now you need to choose what kind of slime you're going to use. Neon, which is plain, or glitter.
I think I'm going to choose glitter.
Great choice. To make glitter slime, Mimi, pour about half of a bag of glitter into the bowl with glue and water.
Okay, so tell me when to stop, Josiah. So, is that half a bag yet?
Not quite yet.
So do we have to keep going?
Yes, stop. Great job. Stir the mixture of glue and water and your glitter slime. Now, Mimi, you need to measure 5 millilitres of this cup.
Okay, so does that mean I need to get this out and pour 5 millilitres in here?
Yeah, which is about up to there. Can you
Okay.
see? I'll tell you when to stop. Okay, that's 5 millilitres, Mimi.
I don't think it's quite up yet.
It is so, Mimi.
There we go.
Mix it and pour all of that 5 millilitres inside.
Okay.
Also, be very careful. Okay, carry on mixing. Don't go too quick. Can you see now it's all getting a little bit slimy, guys? Ooh. Because when you put the slime, that's when the slime activator gets all sticky. And that's how you make slime.
So now I'm going to dive right in and do the rest with my hands. Ooh. So this is going all gooey, but it looks like really good slime. And now it's really sticky and it's stretchy. It looks so cool. That's how we make slime.
It's my turn now, and let's open the ultimate slime kit. Oh my gosh, there is 7 ooze bases, which means loads of slime. There's 2 ooze reactors. There's some orange colour, blue colour, green colour, purple colour, pink colour and yellow colour. And for all the ladies out there, there's some scented perfume. So let's get sliming. I chose the foam slime, so if I want to get cracking, I better start now. So we need 20 mils of ooze base. So let's do that. You have to be very careful with ooze base. So once you've done that, you need to put your 20 millilitres in the bowl. Cool. I've never saw ooze base before. I'm gonna add the foam balls. So now I need to mix some of that. It looks all gooey, guys. Now I need to choose a colour, and as you can see, the colour I've chosen is orange. That's probably because it's my favourite colour. Now, I need to dip it all in and mix it in. And I'm mixing it. And like you can see it's all going all orangey now because of the colour. Gone all orange, and now let's get ready to go into the next step. Now we need to pour some of our ooze reactor, about 10 millimetres, and pour it into the bowl. And that's 10 millilitres. Now I'm going to pour it in and mix it for 1 minute. Start mixing it. Now I'm going to mix it a tiny bit more, and now I'm going to leave it for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And these are our slime done. Comment down below which one you think is better. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and see you next time on the next video on Toy Kit.